If Base44 is giving you an error, here is the fastest way to fix it step by step. In this video, I'll show you the exact correction process so you can get back to working without wasting time. If this helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. First, the simplest method is to describe the issue in AI chat. Open the chat and clearly explain the error you're seeing. Include what you clicked, what happened, and any message shown on the screen. This helps the system understand the problem and can often point you in the right direction immediately. Next, if the error started after a recent action, go to the last prompt and look for the Revert button underneath it. Click Revert to undo that action and return to the previous state. This is one of the quickest ways to fix changes that caused the issue. If the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser data. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, clear your cache and cookies. Make sure both cached files and cookies are selected, then confirm the deletion. After that, refresh Base44 and try again. In many cases, this removes stored data that was causing the problem. So to recap, first describe the issue in AI chat, then use the Revert button under the last prompt, and finally clear caches and cookies with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple fixes and software tutorials.